What's up, guys? Thought I'd give you a bit of an update. We're here with Bacon the Bus, and as you can see, everything is torn out. We have the gearbox out, motor's still removed. We've replaced every hose, gotten her all cleaned up. She was completely black. It was absolutely disgusting, but as you can tell, we've been working hard. We also removed the AC pump. Yeah, decided that we're not going to need that. We're actually going to go with an AC or a mini AC split. Or yeah, mini split. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go with a mini split. I'm really hoping that we can actually put a generator right there in that area, since the diesel fuel line is right there, and yeah, it'll go to the filters connected somewhere in this area. But yeah, I was hoping I could actually tee off of that, and it'll just be on-demand generator that we don't have to fuel. It'll just run off the fuel tank that's already in there. Been doing a lot of riveting, getting all those cleaned up. Yeah, like I said, replace all the hoses. Any sort of gaskets are getting replaced. Some of the radiator mounts have been replaced. Yeah, look at how beautiful that is. Air filters also getting replaced. And as you can kind of see as we walk along, there's a little bit of corrosion all along the side of the bus. I think that's from where stainless steel and aluminum come into contact. The aluminum just starts getting eaten away. So that's not a big deal. We're actually going to do a roof raise, and all of this is actually going to get replaced. So I'm not too worried about that. It's just a little bit more costly in the long run. Oh, there you go. I'm going to take you guys to the inside, where you can see how far along we've came. As you can tell, we have removed one little section of the floor. That was absolutely terrible, but we're hoping to get the rest of it done for today. And then we will start kind of cleaning up the floors. You can see where the rust has really eaten away, like all these cross members. Some of the columns are gone. That's not going to be too big of a deal. We're actually going to replace this whole section. We're just going to cut 68 inches, and we're actually going to raise the roof about 8 inches. Give us a little bit more headroom. That way we can insulate. I'm really hoping to do radiant floor heating. Yeah, you can really see right here, just gone. I've never seen anything get eaten up that bad, but it's also a bus from '81, so it's probably leaked since the day it was made. So that's not too big of a concern. The frame is actually, here you go, I'll show you. If you look down here, this is all stainless steel, so we don't have any kind of rust issues. I mean, the bus has a really good foundation, so we feel good about it. Another thing we got to work on is tracing all of this electricity. That was just for like the TVs, lavender lights, any sort of overhead lighting, fans. Don't really need that. We got to update some stuff on the captain's chair. It's all pretty worn out, torn up, and that is going to be our defrost. We're actually going to remove that. I've been thinking about putting a diesel heater right there. I mean, obviously we're going to do a shoe cubby where the radiator is, but we're thinking about doing a diesel heater right there just in case I do need defrost, but it's also going to be another source of heat if we really need it. So I think that's it for today. Hopefully we'll get a lot done, and yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. Thank you.